Oh shit, cuz. All right, y'all. It's raining outside. We're gonna use the Kraton today. We're gonna play with the Kraton for a little bit. I don't think I ever played with it in the rain, so let's see how I work out in the rain. See if we can do some donuts. Yeah, it really is raining. I didn't know it was raining that hard. You got the Kraton right here. She charged up. I just charged her up like yesterday. Let me see. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay out there now because I didn't know it was raining that fucking hard. Let's see if y'all can see. How y'all doing today? Welcome back to Philly D's channel. Let's see. Y'all can see that? Let's get them warmed up. Look, I'm already crashing. Oh shit. She warmed up. She don't park out here with the rest of the cars. Y'all see that? I'm gonna need tires on the Kraton, y'all. I'm smelling grass. I'm burning grass. No rubber, grass. Y'all might see something break today. I don't know. Just on the beach, y'all. Oh. All the volley joints been fell down, the volleyball. Fuck. Oh shit. He's stuck, y'all. He's stuck. He's stuck. And he dropped right back in it. Damn, we coming back into a forest and shit, y'all. What the fuck? It's getting deep. You gotta be careful. There'll be deers out here and shit. I ain't trying to fight no deer and shit, you know what I mean? Y'all see all these lights? At nighttime, all these lights be lit up. So it look pretty nice out here. The whole yard be like lit up. Damn, I got a lot of shit to cut, y'all. All this grass I gotta cut up. I'm about to ask the Kraton to help me out. Oh. Damn, y'all might see my John break. Oh, shit. Get off my shit, man. You can't even see him now. Yo, all this mud feel like I'm sinking down in it. Like, let me get from up here. Believe it or not, yo, I gotta put a fence all the way around my yard. You know what I mean? Put a fence around this joint. You know what? I noticed I can't pop willies like I used to. Like, what the fuck? This joint used to pop willies easy. Now don't do it no more. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Oh, well. Oh, that shit. Come on, bro. Watch my shit, cuz. Y'all ain't even check out the willy bars I got back here. You see that? See, that's a willy bar. You see it? So when I do my willies, it'll wide on that. But I haven't done a willy and can't do willies no more. I don't know what's going on. Don't go over the net. Hold on, y'all. My little bit of music. My little bit of music cut off. Let's go. Really ain't got nothing else to do right now. Oh shit, I'm just fucking up shit. Damn, I ain't even had my wake and bake. I mean, I kind of did, but y'all know what's up. Damn. Oh, trying to play soccer. She is dirty, y'all. Whoa. Oh shit, cuz. Oh fuck. I broke something. I broke something, yo. Please move for me. Please move. Oh, come here, baby. If you broke again, I ain't got the money to fix you again. Please don't be broke. Y'all see that bumper I put on it though? See this upgraded bumper right here. Hold on. That bumper right here, that's upgraded bumper. I probably can't see it, but that's supposed to help me out for when I crash and shit. Cause I'm always crashing. Always crashing with this junk. There you go. Come on, let the people see you. Let them know you a boss. You ain't hurt. Oh, mother. I can't control him, yo. He's too uncontrollable. Oh, damn it. The fuck is that? Oh, I ran into this right here. Yeah, we bashing, y'all. They call it bashing. Like when you jumping over shit with your RC car, they call that bashing. So let's jump over this. Oh! Oh, come on. Why my music always turning off, y'all? Hold on, y'all. I don't even know if y'all can hear my music, but I got my headphones on. Come on, y'all, let's go walk around. Let's go walk around the crib. Why not? We got the RC car. Come on, dude. Stop playing with shit. See? Damn, he is dirty. My steering not working. Y'all want to walk around the house? Come on. Let's go for a little walk. This car needs some gas. Oh, he ran over the gas line. right, y'all. We walking around the house. Real quick. Oh. We're gonna do a donut in front of the caddy. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. I'm going to see that later, y'all. Motherfucker, where did it hit at? Wherever it hit at, it bounced right off. Fucking dickhead, y'all. I'm a fucking dickhead for that. You know what? Get your fucking ass in the house. Get in the house. Go, now. Now. What the? What is he doing? Mother. Motherfucker. I'ma whoop his ass, yo. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let me go turn that shit off. Okay, it's off. Get your ass in the house. Get your fucking ass in the house. First of all, you threw a rock at the Cadillac. That's number one. Number two, you went over there and you set the alarm off on a Buick GS. Your ass is trash. Your ass is trash. Look how dirty it is, y'all. Motherfucker. All right, y'all. I'm dirty. The RC car is dirty. Everybody's dirty. Let's turn this off. I'm gonna show you how I clean it off real quick. Fuck, man, I can't believe he just did that. I'm not talking about the Cadillac getting hit with the rock. I'm talking about the Buick Regal. The alarm went off. Fuck, man. That's my baby. All right, y'all, we're gonna take some air real quick. And I got this blue one hooked up to it. Hold on. Where is it? I'll take this whole thing off. Here we go, here we go, here we go. All right, so we're gonna take this, take the air hose. I already got the air, it's already air in there. I was just using it, so I'm gonna blow this off. Get the Kraton looking all nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. Day in the garage with Philly D. What's up, what's up, what's up? I'm surprised I ain't break them today. Honestly. This thing dirty, y'all. Real dirty, real dirty. But yeah, y'all, that's what I usually do. I'll blow it off, clean it off real quick, you know what I mean? Get it all nice and pretty. And the problem is when you're driving these things, especially in like tall grass like that, you know, all this grass will get tangled up in it and all that shit. And that'll really mess up your, cause these axles and shit on here, just like your car, you know, they're not as big as like, you know, the ones on your car. So you get a tree branch up in here, you know what I mean? It could break real easy. So you gotta keep all that shit out. It's pretty dirty, but that's what I try to do. Keep some of this, cause I done broke at least 20 times already. Yeah, y'all. It's just like a real car, man. It's just much more tedious. So it's just that much more harder to work on. So honestly, I done already tried to work on it. I don't like working on them because it's just too, listen, and it's not expensive for a hobby shop to work on it. Like, so, you know what I mean? I just cough up the money and let the hobby shop practice their hobby. And I tell the hobby shop boy to bring his car to me. You know what I mean? And I do what I do. It's that simple. You know what I mean? I don't waste time with trying to, it is what it is, man. But yeah, that's what I do, man. I'm done playing with it. I'll try to clean it off, and then I'm gonna put that battery on the charger, because put the battery on the charger. Ah, man. And let it charge up a little bit. I'll get that later. So right now I'm just gonna sit this joint over here. That's what we do. All we gotta do is just unplug the battery. I don't take the battery out because I don't like messing with the strap. So this charger, I can do 2 different batteries at one time. And we're just gonna use this side. Plug it up. Then you gotta put this little piece in here. Make sure when you're done playing with it, you either charge it up or put it in storage mode. Let me see. I haven't really used this. I usually just charge it up, but I think there's a storage mode on here where you can store them, but I never use it. I just charge it up. Because honestly, I plan to use it, but I never do. Like, this thing sits for at least a month at a time or more. Oh shit, that's the wrong battery, that's the wrong cord. Yeah, so I just plug it up, charge it. I'll just sit here. Alright, so we got it plugged up. So it's a LiPo battery, balance charge. It's a 6S battery, 5,000 milliamps, 2.0 amps. Start. You hold it. Battery check. Go. Till right now it's charging, alright? So it's gonna tell you how much time it's running, and it automatically stops. When it's done, it's gonna make a noise, beep beep. Come take me out the charger. And then this side is obviously for my other batteries. So that's pretty much what I do every time I'm done with it. That was it. Now I gotta clean up the floor because The Creighton and dirtied it all up. And he fucked up the Cadillac. And he bothered the fucking Buick. So he's on timeout. So yeah, guys, hope y'all like that little run with the Creighton in the rain. That's the first time I've ever driven a Creighton in the rain. So that was kind of fun. So yeah, man, if y'all like the video, then hit the like button, share the video, comment, subscribe, come check me out again. See y'all later.